You know how you can build your courage to do the things. You are like this, empty. And if you want to build your confidence in doing something that you have never done before, then what you need to do is that the more you will try to take your small steps, not a brave full high five step. I'm talking about very small step like a drop of a water. So the more small steps you will take against your fear, the fear that you have. Let's suppose you want to post your writing, your thinking, what you think in the public, but you fear due to the fear of judgment, like you are going to be judged by the people, what you say, what you think. So if you want to overcome this kind of fear, like, so example is that you will have to take your first very small step. You don't need to write a whole long article. What you can do instead, in order to reach to your full article, you need to start from your first word, not even sentence. So when you will write your first word, like it could be thank you, oh nice, welcome, this kind of small words. So when you will write and press the submit button, it will help you overcome your resistance, overcome your fear, at least a single tiny step, just like this drop of water. So when you will take the step with courage, and you will require very less courage to do that, so you can easily achieve it. When you are done with it, you will feel happy, like you have achieved something, and that is your achievement. You don't need to achieve a high public speaker on the stage in order to be thinking that you have done something great. No, if you have taken your small post with a thank you or hi and this and it's good and this kind of things, then it is also like you have done something great, because there are millions of people who are not even able to do that. So when you will do that, you will get energy, and then with energy, happiness, and having some confidence in yourself, like you could do this, oh, so the next time you will be able to do it again with the same energy, or you might be able to use the same energy pack that you have got after taking the action to do another action, or maybe do better action than the before. Like the first time you have done a small word, now the next time you can try writing a single sentence. Then when you will be able to do that, then you can increase it a little bit, more and more and more. This way one day you will be able to write your paragraph or two paragraph, even an article, even a long post, without fear of being judged, because you will be able to overcome your fear of being judged. This is just an example. It can be applied to like making your videos, or maybe you're going online on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram on live videos, or maybe on showing your talents, or maybe on speaking something, or maybe on sharing your thoughts, whatever kind. There are many different variations, but the point that you need to understand with this example is simple. Whenever you will try to do something new, it will be like you have emptied yourself from the water. So you will be feeling like empty again, because you have not built your confidence in doing that action. So you will have to fill yourself with small tiny actions, and those small tiny actions will help you build your inner confidence to do that action. Because let's suppose, here is one example, very simple example. If you are, let's suppose you are making your confidence in speaking on videos like this, so when you will try to do something on writing, you might not be able to do that, because you have not built your confidence in writing. Just in a similar way, if someone is an expert of football, put that person into cricket, the confidence will be vanished away. Why? Does it make that person useless? No. The person is same. The difference is that his expertise, his skills, experience, practice it belongs to the football, not the cricket. So if you are losing your confidence and courage, but you are experienced professional, so think what are your experiences, what are your skills, what are your results, what are the results you have produced already for the people you have worked for cheap or for free or whatever purpose is there. You might have some results, maybe great results, but you don't have confidence in showing those results to the people. Oh my god. So you need to now here is one more lesson. If you are filled up with so much confidence, then what happens, you will be exploding yourself in here and there and everywhere, like you are like a beacon of light, flowing, overflowing, and helping others with the confidence as well. But if you are lacking, if you are not filled up with the confidence, how can you flow yourself with confidence and help other people as well? Your lack of confidence will keep pulling you back. And there might be very reasons, like maybe your emotional childhood traumas, maybe people criticize you so much, maybe people insulted your character, and blah blah blah. There are many kind of things, you know that. So if that kind of problem you have, then it means that you need to heal your trauma. And if that is a problem and if you have not find someone, then this is what I can help. Maybe within an hours or 2 hours, 3 hours. Mostly in most cases 2 hours are enough for me to help my clients heal from their emotional trauma, because it's related to mindset and the past events, which I do that through one session. But this example is enough for you to understand. If you have any existing skill, former experiences and expertise, simply take the path of your experience. Like remember the example of the football and cricket. If you are master of your own field with experiences behind, use those experiences, because you are the pillar of your field with the decades of experiences. So whenever you will go back to your position in the field and look at your results, you will instantly like feeling like confident once again, because you have something backing up you. But if you are trying to claim something new and you don't have results, experience and nothing else like that, then only putting yourself as a title or claiming yourself to be like that one, like you will be feeling like fearful, awkward, what people will say, what people will judge me and this and that, because you are like standing in a cricket ground and you are a player of football, and now in the cricket ground you are claiming to be a cricketer, the best cricketer, a full X, this and that. It will not help you. It will instead hurt you, and you might not be able to perform your performance, to demonstrate your performance, because how can you do that if you don't have experiences? So, and if you want to build this, then you will have to play the cricket with the cricketers and then learn it and gain your experiences, do some performances. These were some examples to help you understand how you can easily, slowly build your confidence by doing some practical actions and play on the level of the ground where you are already expert and experienced, rather than listening to most gurus and what they are saying, and you are following, and then you are losing your confidence and then think what's wrong with you. No, there is nothing much wrong with you. You already have earned in your life, in your business services. But now if you are lacking confidence, it means that something happened to you emotionally in your past that is hurting and pulling you, and you are losing, feeling awkward and not feeling confident again. Like maybe if you have lost your confidence, it happens mostly with the high achievers who are shy introverts, and obviously you are the one. Let me know if you need help. Otherwise, take care. Bye bye.